Perfect.
Since finding out I'm pregnant, or since being pregnant, meat grosses me out. But I live in a house full with carnivores. So basically, I've turned pescatarian this pregnancy. But my cousin is pescatarian, and she basically told me that she makes like this meatless adobo. Like she makes it with potatoes, lots of potatoes. So I'm gonna try that, and then I'm also gonna make regular pork for the carnivores I live with. But another thing with this pregnancy, once I see meat, once I hear meat, once I think of meat, smell it, I start gagging. So let's see how I can do this. Wish me luck. Okay, so I got these pork. Usually I use like either pork butt or pork belly, but I really wanted something that was cut up so I didn't have to touch it. So I'm gonna put this in the pot, add some garlic salt, and just basically cook this meatness. So when I make adobo, I usually make like my own like sauce and seasonings. Like I put my own seasonings together, and I use shoyu and vinegar. But my cousin recommended that I try this. She said that it's really good. So all you gotta do is add 1 cup of water with this packet. So that's what I'm gonna do with this adobo. So hopefully it comes out good. So yeah. And then these are the red potatoes. Oops, man. These are the red potatoes I got. So you can leave on skins, right, for red potatoes, because I'm not trying to freaking peel this. Can you? I'm guessing you can. I'm not sure. And then I'm also gonna have it with onion. So mine is only gonna have these basically. This is for my guac. It's only gonna have this, and then I'm also gonna add these to the carnivores ones. The meaty people. Oh, focus. So this is what the mixture looks like. I'm hoping it tastes good. It smells good. But like, I'm really picky with my adobo. Like, I like the way I make it. It's very vinegary. So I mean, if this doesn't come out, I'm gonna like add in my own like shoyu and vinegar to it. But so it looks like. So this is what the meat mixture looks like. I ended up peeling the potatoes because when I was washing it, like to scrub it, I realized how dirty they were. So basically, I'm gonna just simmer it. Here's my little potato mixture that I need to still mix up. Okay, so I tasted mine, not this one, and the taste is not there for me. So I'm gonna add some. I'm eyeballing it because shit, I am. So I'm gonna add in my own vinegar and aloha shoyu because maybe I want more vinegar because it's not there for me. It doesn't taste like adobo. It tastes like, I don't know how to explain it. It just tastes like a whole bunch of seasoning. Like I mean, it's not bad, but it just doesn't taste like adobo. That's my thing. So this one is basically done. But this is like my favorite part of like the adobo, like this juicy over here-ness, this thick sauce. I like it on my rice. But mine is looking like a hot ass mess soup. This one's looking better than mine. Look at mine. What is this? I don't know how to make the liquid go away. I'm about to dump it out because I don't want it. I don't know. So he added an egg, but it's looking pretty good. Mine, on the other hand, looks very sad. I don't know what, but my sauce like evaporated. Like I turned it off because my potatoes were falling apart, and then I went to scoop it and there's no sauce. So I'm very disappointed. But overall, I would not do this again, and I would make my own sauce. But yeah, I'm gonna add some chili peppers and try to enjoy it.